What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Squidward Mortis from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the nose. So we're going to start right in the middle with a point along the top. I just want to curve this around towards the bottom and then back up on the right side like a raindrop. So we're going to come around the left side, round out the nose, go all the way around and then back up towards the top. Now I want to tuck two ovals along the side for the eyes. Let's start in the middle. Start with the left side, going up, come down, and then in towards the side of the nose. Let's do the same thing on the right, starting in the middle, going up towards the same height, come around the side, and then back in. Let's add the eyelid. Starting on the inside, we're just going to angle this down and out toward the left and right side. Let's place the pupils along the inside. So on the left, draw a straight line coming down, add one on the right. Now directly above each eye, we're going to angle the eyebrows. So start on the left side, we're going to come down, round this out, go up and round out the end. And we want to fill the eyebrows in black. Now let's go over towards the right side and do the same thing, going up and then back in. Along the side of the nose, let's curve the mouth, going out and then down. Now I'm going to step up and just wrap this mouth going around and back in underneath the nose, come down on the right, and just bend that back in. Now I want to draw two straight lines going up towards the eyes, and I'll draw the outside of the head. Let's start back on the left. We go out, around at the head, and then bend that back in, and do the exact same thing on the right, going all the way around, and then in towards the top. From the top, just going to bend the hat, coming in and then down toward the center of the forehead, go up and back out. Let's add that fold along the side. So on the left, we're going to bend this around, come in and then down. And then along the top, we're going to add a curve like a half circle, going up and then down. Now I'm going to come down underneath the nose and draw on the tie. We're going to start with a straight line going across the middle. Go up and out. Now I want to connect these 2 points with a curve, like a circle coming all the way around towards the bottom and then back up. Let's add the wings along the side, stepping down, and it's out and up. Round up the side of the wing, coming back in towards the bottom. Now from the bottom, we're going to draw 2 points, going up, down, and then up. Now just underneath the mouth, we're going to add the collar, curving this down and then in behind the tie. Now I want to place the cape on top of the shoulders, but we're going to lift up the right side. So let's start on the left. I'm just going to bend this out and then down. Bend this down and in towards the center of the body. Let's add an upside down V for a notch, going up and then down. Now I'm going to go up to the side of the collar. I'm just going to bend this across and then out. Let's connect this line to the bottom, coming down and then back in. Let's tuck the body in underneath the cape. On the left side, draw a straight line coming down towards the hip. Do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the hip, coming down and up. I'm going to step up and draw that again for the top of the belt. Leave a gap in the center and draw 2 lines, one on the left and then one on the right. Now from the side, I'm just going to bend this in and then up towards the center of the body. Let's continue working down towards the feet. From the belt buckle, we're going to step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a small gap, go to the left side, angle the leg, coming down and then out towards the left. Go to the right side and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting back on the left, coming down and then up. Now I'm going to add 2 toes across the bottom. From the heel, let's step up and out, bend this up towards the top, bend this out, and then down towards the bottom of the foot. We'll go in the opposite direction on the right side. Now I want to layer the outside toe in behind. Starting from the outside, go up and in towards the same height. Bend this in, just tuck that in behind. Let's go back up to the hips. We're going to draw a straight angle line coming down and then out inside that last toe. And then in between the toes, we draw a straight line going across and then in towards the inside of the foot. Let's step up and draw another line to fold up the pant. Now there's 3 small spots inside each toe. So we start at the very top with a circle. And we're going to add 2 more across each toe along the bottom. We're just going to tuck this in towards the sides. Now we're going to go back up to the left side and draw on the arm. Let's start from the inside of the body, draw a short line coming down and out. Now we're going to roll that thick cuff across the arm. So we step in, angle this up and then out. From the end, step in, tuck the arm in underneath the cape. Now from the ends, draw 2 straight lines coming down across the sleeve, and then we'll close this off. From the inside of the sleeve, let's curve the hand, coming around and then out towards the bottom. Round out the finger, bend that back up. Now I'm going to tuck the hand in behind. So we step down, curve this out, and pull that in underneath the sleeve. Now on the right side, we're going to have the arm holding the weapon across the shoulders. So let's start from the side of the collar, angle this down and then out. I'm just going to round this out, going in and back out towards the top. And we'll follow that same angle line coming back in towards the head. In this area, we draw a circle, add a smaller circle in the center, and then fill that in black. Let's add a band around this seam, coming around and then back up on both sides. Close off the right side with another curve. And then from these 2 points, draw 2 more lines going out. Let's close off the end with another curve. Now I'm going to do the same thing. Let's wrap this around and then up. Close this off with a curve. And we'll connect these 2 points, going out, round at the end, and then bend that back in. Let's simplify that large weight along the bottom. We're going to start with a straight line going across the top. From the ends, angle this down and then out towards the bottom. Draw a short angle line coming in to create a bevel. And we'll flatten off the bottom. Along the top, let's add a small half oval. And then on the sides, we're just going to bend this out and then up underneath. Along the top, draw a straight line, come down the sides. And I want to pull that in towards the middle, leaving a gap. I'm going to create a little notch going up and down. Underneath, add the nose coming down and out along the side. Flatten off the bottom. Now from the brow, I'm just going to add a seam coming down and in towards the nose. Then add 2 small circles on either side. Let's go to the bottom, add a straight line, curve this up and then down across the mouth. Separate the teeth with 2 angled lines. Now there's 2 little blocks on either side. So we're going to go out, down, and back in. Now we're going to tuck the arm in behind the cape and this weapon. So we're going to start from this top corner, bend this around the sleeve, and then down. Come straight in, bend that back up. Now from this bottom point, step up, draw a straight line coming in towards the body. From the bottom of the sleeve, just going to bend the arm coming in behind and up. Close off the inside, and then we'll see the tip of the hand across the top. Now I want to continue this weapon in behind the hand going out towards the left. So we're starting on the side of the head, curve this around and then in to start this off. Step up, draw another curve going all the way around and back in. From the top, we're going to step up. I'm just going to follow the curve. I'm just going to taper that up across the bottom. From the bottom edge, angle this down and out. Curve this around, go up and then back in. Now we're going to add that thick band across the bottom. We're going to step up, all the way around, come down, and just tuck that back in. Now the last thing we're gonna do is just layer the cape in behind the body. We're gonna start from the tip, straight down in behind the arm, in between the sleeve. Now across the bottom, we're just gonna bend this out towards the bottom. Let's go underneath the arm on the right, come down in behind, bend this out towards the same height. Now I'm gonna connect these lines with a straight line going across in behind the legs. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Squidward Mortis from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.